Hi, this is Martin, and this is a video about putting a iLight single phase board into reflashing mode so the firmware can be updated. At the moment we're looking at the bottom of a source controller, and you can see the green and the red LED, and to each side of the green and red LED are two push buttons behind the faceplate. In the centre we've got the RJ12 connector, which we're going to use for reflashing the unit with. Okay, so this video is just about how to put it into reflashing mode. Did this just to make it a bit simpler than just writing the instructions. Now this one is already offline because the red LED is on. If you have got a system where you're updating a board and it's online, then the red LED in theory won't be on. I would advise that you just unplug it off of the network whilst you're doing the reflashing. So the first thing we've actually got to do is put the board into reflashing mode, and this is simply done by using a tool, or you can get some help in order to actually press both of the buttons simultaneously as you either power the unit up or press the reset button inside the unit. Okay, so over here I've got the tools that I'm actually going to use. This is just a flat piece of metal with a couple of M4 screws in it, which are spaced at 56mm, which is the same as the spacing between the buttons each side of the LEDs. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to press in these two buttons at the same time, then either power the unit up if we powered it down first of all, or press the reset button inside. Okay, so I'm going to start by doing this, holding the phone at the same time. Okay, so I'm going to press that in here, okay, and you can hear the two buttons being pressed. Okay, if I press them in, you might just be able to hear them, but you do get to feel whether they're actually being pressed in. Okay, so now I'm going to press the reset button on the board. Okay, there it is down in the bottom left hand corner. Now I can't hold the phone and push this at the same time, so hold on a second. So I've pressed it now, and if I come back down here, if we look down here, we can see the red LED is flashing, and now the green LED is double flashing. I can take this away now, and there we have, we're in reflashing mode. Okay, so now we can go on and plug into the RJ12 using the iCan flash facility or application and upload new firmware to the board.